And we're back here in the Phil Sports Arena and I am with Coach Ronald Dulay. Coach, nabanggit mo kanina sa timeout na medyo masama yung reception. No? Aside from that, ano po sa tingin nyo yung kulang kung bakit dumidikit pa yung kalaban?
Actually, yung unang-unang dyan, yung sa receive Kasi kung wala kaming receive, hindi kami makaka-atake. Based dun sa stat ng assistant ko, doon nagkakaproblema. So, we adjust. I-adjust namin na kailangan namin makapasa na maka-atake kami.
Alright, sige, thank you, Coach. Back to you guys.
And it makes perfect sense, actually. Thank you very much, Denise. It makes perfect sense, and that, of course, you need reception to set up your offense. And if Bingo Millonario cannot get good reception, then they have a problem. But the thing is, you also have one of the best liberos ever in your lineup in Cher Peñano. But apparently, Cher Peñano is still in limbo right now.
But of course, you know, she's not the only one who's supposed to receive the ball. Of course, you have the rest of the team who has to be ready. And, you know, normally that's one of the biggest problems teams have. If they don't have service reception or if it's poor, then they're unable to execute their plays.
So serving first here will be May Makatuno from PLDT MyDSL. So Lucette Dawis is in the lineup in front with Angela Benting and Buena Eulalio, while Liz Ligata Pantone in at libero, Rosemary Vargas in the back. And for Bingo Millonario, it's Chase Saet, Mikmik Laborte, Maika Morada, Cher Peñano, Michelle Gumabao. And here is the attack from Paneng Mercado.
And, you know, that's the difficulty that they're having at this point in time. Saet is unable to set up coming from a poor reception, and they aren't able to convert it into points.
So PLDT MyDSL striking first. They are called the Speed Boosters. We're going to get used to all of their monikers. Nice serve there from May Makatuno. Here is Mikmik Laborte beyond the reach of Liz Gata Pantone. So it is now tied at 1. Here is Rhea Serena Saet. They're going to unfollow me again. Mentioning their entire name.
Full name.
Ito, Maria Lucette Dawis. Interesting story on the name of this young lady. Her name is Lucette, spelled Leuseht, which is a combination actually of her father's name spelled backwards. Her father's name is Miguel, and her mom's name is Tess, spelled backward.
Very
Lucette.
Filipino, right?
Yep.
To combine names.
Here is, cross-court attack. They're coming from Angela Benting. Mercado wasn't even able to jump for Bingo Millonario.
Right now, Makatuno really going for her high percentage attackers to get those points.
Now we're tied at 2. Buena Eulalio. Here's the reception from Peñano. The stretch from Laborte. Benting off Laborte. Here's Saet now. Back set. Michelle Gumabao. Benting, snuffed out by Gumabao. Soriano trying to stop Laborte from attacking. It does not work. Mikmik scores. So 3-2, Bingo Millonario taking the lead. I'm still trying to get over actually seeing the lineup of having Mikmik Laborte, Ivy Remulla, Michelle Gumabao. We haven't even seen Maureen Penetrante Oanyo in the game yet. That is a bunch of fierce blockers.
And a big bench here for Bingo Millonario.
Right. And off a service error, it's now Angela Benting serving for PLDT MyDSL. We are tied at 3. Second set action. First set went the way of Bingo Millonario. 25-22. Nice block from Pao Soriano. Michelle Gumabao is denied.
Pao Soriano, of course, making her presence felt. Sabi niya, it's not only Bingo Millonario who can block like that. Look at this, getting a good read in that attack.
Back to live action. Mercado gives up a free ball. Dawis is there. Makatuno, quick set. Pao Soriano denied by Remulla. And a free ball coming up from Angela Benting. Peñano, Saet, Remulla. Nice dig from Makatuno. Vargas out of position, gives up a free ball. Back set now. Gumabao pushing it. Oh, Gata is there, but cannot keep it alive long enough for her teammates to get to it. At yan ang sinasabi natin about Liz Gata Pantone. She just knows where the ball is going to go, does not really have to dive, but that time she did have to dive. Tied at 4. Mercado. Here's Makatuno now, going to Vargas. Denied. Single block there coming from Michelle Gumabao. Off the block of Remulla. is Soriano's shot. Soriano tries to turn it into offense. Saet, Morada, knocked out by Dawis and Soriano.
Poor coverage on the part of Bingo Millonario.
This is a great angle to see that. Where are you going?
Look at that. No coverage.
Dumaan muna kay Dawis and then it went to Soriano who finished it off. Peñano getting better at the reception side right now. And now it's a problem because that's 4 touches against PLDT MyDSL. So whatever problem Bingo Millonario had, it's now becoming the problem of PLDT MyDSL. But Cher Peñano is starting to warm up. And there's a slippery portion in the middle of the floor before Michelle Gumabao will put it in play. Speaking of Michelle Gumabao and Stephanie Mercado, of course, the one thing they have in common is they're both from LaSalle, but they're also second-generation celebrities. Of course, Michelle Gumabao, her father used to play professional basketball before becoming an actor, of course, in the person of Dennis Roldan. And for Stephanie Mercado, her mother used to be a celebrated athlete as well by the name of Lydia De Vega.
And a lot of people don't know that,
That's
of
true.
course, because her last name is Mercado.
That's true.
And we all know, you know, the Lydia De Vega as Lydia De Vega.
That's true. Iris Ortega Patrona will come back to replace Micah Morada. So 6-5, a very closely contested second set. So again, second-generation celebrities. I'd like to call them celebrities because Manning Mercado in college was very popular as a volleyball player, as her mother was as Asia's sprint queen. And of course, Michelle Gumabao's father.
Vargas. Her usual mistake actually when she
Does the power
tries, when she tries to drop the ball.
Well, just lost track of where the net was. Going back to, of course, Michelle Gumabao. Not very many people know. Maraming may alam that she's the daughter of Dennis Roldan, but not very many people know that Dennis Roldan actually played in the PBA in 1983 as a professional basketball player. Here's the quick set now. Weneth Eulalio. Combination now for Iris Patrona. Pantone keeping it alive. Makatuno has to send it back. A free ball coming from Benting. Here's Mercado. She's side. Quick set now. Going to Mikmik, and Mikmik did not like the set. Combination Vargas, and Vargas scores. And Ivy could not get there in time.
Well, at this point in time, it seems like it's Bingo Millonario that's a bit disorganized.
Let's see what Rosemary Vargas can do with her serve. It is a 1-point lead for the lady or the speed boosters of PLDT MyDSL. Patrona off the hands of Makatuno. That's the sign also of a very intelligent spiker. If you cannot make it hit the floor, make it hit someone's hand and make it go out. Yan tawag natin palihis.
Pachek.
Pachek. 7-all. Pantone. Here is Benting, but she misses
Benting.
everything.
She's trying to go down the line.
Technical timeout number 1 here in set number 2 finds Bingo Millonario up by 1, 8-7. We'll be right back.